Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can use the freeform selection tool in Microsoft Paint. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So we need to open Microsoft Paint first. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Paint. Click on it under the best match. Now let me just quickly insert an image. Okay, so using this image, we are going to use the free form tool in Microsoft Paint. Okay, so you will find that from here, this one. You will notice this select, the one with a square or box symbol. Click on this drop down arrow and here you will find free form. Click on that. Now I'm just going to select this leaves from the trees. So you just need to simply drag the cursor to the part that you're going to select. Okay, I'm going to choose the leaves only. Now once done, let me just quickly try again. And now you need to move this. And that's it. You have separated the leaves from the roots or from the trunk or from the stem of the tree. That's it. That's how you can easily use the free form in your Microsoft Paint. And you can also simply bring this back here. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.